Shenzhen TSD Laser Equipment Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise which specializing in the manufacturing of flatbed and rotary laser die board cutting machine and automatic steel rule bending machine which used for packaging, printing, and die-making industry. We improve machine quality constantly on the premise of technological innovation, committed to providing clients with reliable product solution and perfect after-sales services. After 10 years of hard working, we, TSD Laser, have been exporting full-set laser die-making machines to 60 countries, including North America, South America, Africa, Middle East, Eastern Europe, Western Europe, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, and other regions. We have been helping over 5,000 die-making users to complete automatic die-making workshop in the past 10 years. In order to provide more professional automatic die-making solutions, we have established complete distribution networks and service outlets throughout the country and overseas markets. People-oriented, integrity first, has always been the development philosophy of TSD Laser. We adopt modern, humanized management method and adhere to combine with employee participation in order to allow staff to work out themselves. We, TSD people, are young, energy, and skillful. We are working hard together to build TSD Laser as the first brand among the die-making industry. Value creation, client success is TSD success.
TSD Laser is a high-tech enterprise which specializes in manufacturing die-bond laser cutting machine and auto blade bending machine with 11 years research and development experience. We have exporting machines to over 60 countries and help more than 3,000 users to improve their die-making business. Value creation, customer success is TSD success. Thank you.